Alright, so here we got the Silverado. Today we're going to do a muffler system or whatever. I actually, as some of you guys might know, I have it dumped right out under there. Cut a muffler, just the muffler's cut right off. So it's being dumped right under my truck. I want that to go outside my truck somewhere. I was thinking about going the straight pipe route, but I thought about going somewhere a little bit cheaper and a little bit better. And that is dumping it out the side. So I got the equipment for that. I'm gonna do a side dump and see how it sounds and see how it looks and see if I like that. So and I do have the cherry bomb glass pack I could put under there, no problem, just with one clamp. But not all you guys have a cherry bomb glass pack laying around, and I want to show you guys a little cheaper way of doing this. So, all right, so we don't need this. Without further ado, here we go.
Goodbye.
Intro. Alright, it's all put in. You can see there. Now we're going to start up and see how it sounds. Going down the driveway now, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a good sound of it. Alright, thanks for watching that video. That was just a quick video on my muffler system that I have going here. As you can see, it goes all the way back. Follow it along. You can see it goes all the way up to the catalytic converter. I didn't pull that off because the reason I didn't pull up the catalytic converter right there is because normally it's just being dumped under the vehicle, and I didn't want that coming up into the cab and having like carbon monoxide rather than you know, carbon dioxide or whatever. But now I have it dumped out the side, I probably will take off the converter. I don't know, might be a little too loud after that, but I'm not sure. But I guess that's it for this video. You can decide whether you want to dump it out the side. I personally like it. It's not too loud in the cab and sounds great on the outside. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.